Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing how to make a bonsai that is with aerial roots. So basically this video will be about how these roots can be planted in such a way that it will look that it will appear out and it will give a very good aerial root view of this plant. So starting with the type of plant, this is ficus plant and we have cut the stem from the top. So now this is just straight ficus plant, and later on when the plant will be in a shape that we can make bonsai properly, then we will wire all these stems. As you can see, these stems, we will wire these stems and the plant is cut till here, so this will be the basic length of our bonsai. So now starting with how to manage the roots. As you can see, there are some couple of roots which are long. So first we are going to cut those roots so that it can accommodate in this bonsai planter. Yes, now it can accommodate in this bonsai planter. So I'm putting this stone just close to the roots so that it can have a very good aerial roots which can be seen and it look beautiful. So now this stone is placed just close to the root, as you can see, and now I'm going to add some soil in it. I think once it will grow, the roots can be seen properly from here. The aerial roots will be visible here, and this will be a front elevation. So that is why I have kept the stone just here, and else I will be just filling it with soil. This will take a little long to become bonsai, but once it will be done, it will look beautiful. Stay tuned to our channel so that you can see the result of this beautiful plant when it will be finally become bonsai. So now, just to give a finishing look of that aerial roots, we are going to lift our plant a little, so that all the roots can come out and the soil can settle down. Now I'm just pressing the soil and roots are a bit out now. The stone will be all engulfed with the roots when the plant will again further grow roots. So this stone will completely be inside the roots. आप अभी देखेंगे, if you'll just see, now only it is looking so beautiful. Let me just give you the front view of this plant.